Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your business manager and confirming you have admin rights. This unlocks the increase request workflow. Next, document why you need more ad accounts and collect billing history, typical monthly spend, and registered business ID. Once done, open business settings and go straight to ad accounts. Select the option to create or request additional accounts. Make sure payment methods are active so the platform sees valid spend capability. Now complete the formal increase application. Explicitly state the number of ad accounts you need and a concise business justification. Attach supporting documents like spend reports, invoices, and your verified business registration. These prove capacity and intent. Enter a dedicated contact person, reliable phone number, and an expected monthly ad spend figure so reviewers can assess risk. Once submitted, monitor email and business manager notifications closely. Responses can include follow-up questions. Finish by promptly responding to any support requests and supplying additional documentation if asked. Speedy replies speed approval. If your request is denied, don't panic. Review the rejection reasons, tighten billing history, or add performance evidence, and request a manual review with clearer justification. Make sure accounts remain policy compliant and gradually increase spend to demonstrate stability. This raises future approval chances. Troubleshooting tip: if delays persist, escalate to business support chat and reference your case ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.